for another enduring mystery, we now travel west of the Confederate States, across the Pacific to the island of Japan. Yet the treasure we're looking for is here on American soil. To understand the treasure, you need to understand who Goro Masamune was. Born in 1260 AD, a couple of hundred years before America was even a glint in anyone's eye, Goro was a master sword maker and is known as the greatest sword maker to have ever fashioned a sword. And one of his swords in particular, the Honjo Masamune sword, is worth perhaps a grand sum of $20 million, and it went missing after World War II when it was given to the Americans. So if you've got your granddaddy's World War II souvenirs hanging on your wall, well, one of them might just set you up for the rest of your life.